Immaculate 70 Chevelle. Frame off rotisserie, restored. Now available at MGM Classic Cars. Check out all the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. You may call, text. If you need a delivery quote, I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. We have over 150 beautiful hand-picked cars here in 2 locations in Addison, Illinois. Again, my name's Thomas. If you need financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application. If you need a delivery quote, you can call or text me, 847-848-1850. Top shelf 70 Chevelle, now available.